In this demonstration, we're going to review Newcona App Centre's self-service portal. This is a portal that's made available to all users and can be accessed from any browser. I'm going to go ahead and log in. First thing to note is that the portal itself is entirely customizable by IT. I can have my own logo, my own corporate colors, and so on. Basically anything that will give the requisite look and feel for the users. As a user, there are many different ways for me to review the applications that have been made available for me. I can look at the newest applications, I can look at the most popular apps, I can also review by platform. So for example, if I'm downloading for my iPad, I'm only interested in iOS apps, or for my Android smartphone, just the Android apps and so on. It's also possible for IT to group various applications into categories. And those categories can be based on role or function or geography or department, basically anything that makes sense. And this is something that I've set up here as just a general tab for all users that may be interested. And this one is HR with some timesheet applications and so on. It's also possible to search for apps. So I can look for sales, and this will pick up any application that has sales in either the title or the description of the application. You can see it's brought up 4 different apps, and a couple of these apps have been given feedback already, so I can go and review the feedback of the corporate channel app and see that one user thought it was a terrific app and gave it 5 stars, another loved the new features and gave it 4, and so on. I'm going to go ahead and add a new application to my list, so I'm going to pick this sales trainer. And you can see that there's a button to add it to my apps. When I select that, it's going to add it to a list that is my own set of applications across all of my devices. And I have a couple of different applications that I've already installed, the corporate channel and sales reports apps, and a couple that are waiting to be downloaded. And so the next time I log in with my mobile device, those will be available for me to download. For any applications that have been installed, I can also deliver feedback. I can do that directly from my mobile device, or I can go in and do it from the portal. So for example, in the sales reporting application, I can say that love the new reports, and we're going to give it 4 stars. So you can see it's very simple to use, very comfortable for a user that has had any exposure at all to a consumer app store like the iTunes Store or the Android market, but at the same time it gives IT full control over what users get access to what application and provides the appropriate look and feel for the user to make it very, very easy for them to be able to use without any training.